In this tutorial, we are going to create a Truffle project using a Truffle box. So first create a directory in your development folder. In my case, I'm using D drive. Use command mkdir to create a folder named pet-shop-turorial and then move inside it using cd space pet-shop-tutorial. There is a special Truffle box just for this tutorial called pet shop, which includes a basic project structure as well as the code for the user interface. Use the Truffle Unbox command to unpack this Truffle box. Truffle space unbox space pet dash shop. Point to be note. Truffle can be initialized a few different ways. Another useful initialization command is truffle space init, which creates an empty project with no example contracts included. Now we are going to open this folder in Visual Studio Code using command code space dot. Once it opens, we can see the default Truffle directory structure which contains many folders, like contract folder, which contains a solidity source file for our smart contracts. There is an important contract in here called migrations.sol, which we will talk about later. Then there's another folder called migrations folder. Truffle use a migration system to handle smart contract deployments. A migration is an additional special contract that keeps track of changes. Test folder, which contains both JavaScript and Solidity test for our smart contracts. And the Truffle config.js file, which is a Truffle configuration file. The Patch Shop Truffle box has extra files and folders in it, but we won't worry about those just yet. In the next lesson, we are going to write a smart contract.